Hey first graders, I wanted to show you something else that good readers do. Another good habit that they do is read more and more. So once you finish reading a book, you keep reading. So I have this reading mat to help me. The first thing I do is make a stack of my books. Then I read all of the books. Then I read my way back. So if I open up my reading mat, I see this is where I can put all of my books. So let's grab all of my books and I'll put them in a stack here. And then I'll read all of my books. After I finish reading one, I put it over here. I read another book, I put it over here. And I keep going until I've read all of my books. After I read all my books, guess what? Yep, I read them again until they're back all over here. So, a good reader makes sure that they read more and more.